So for tip number two, I'll talk about how Cloudinary can be used to render images that are the most optimal in web pages. This is one of the most this is one of the most popular features of Cloudinary, right? Images and videos in the original size typically are too big to render on the web pages, right? Most of the images or videos that we take through our mobile devices are in multiple megabytes in size, which obviously cannot be loaded into the pages as is. So instead, Cloudinary offers through various SDKs a way to generate image or video tags with the appropriate transformations to resize and scale these images and videos. Um, why, if you, why would you say would we want to deliver these assets at the desired size? Because delivering them in the original size uses up a lot of bandwidth. A lot of bandwidth gets wasted. It slows down the site considerably. If you're loading megabytes of images and multiple images and web pages. And at the same time, there may be other algorithms out there that can resize these images, but they may not take into account some of the important aspects of the images when they're being resized. So once they do get resized, however, it will help with lowering the bandwidth on the page and subsequently increasing the performance of the page. So let's talk about how we can perform the resize and at the same time generate these image and video tags on the web pages. As I mentioned earlier, we have a lot of SDKs that can do this. For this example, however, we're going to look at a JavaScript SDK. So here I'm showing you a few code snippets that can take in a public ID of an image, which you see here on the left. And then using the syntax here, it's going to generate an image tag with the full URL of that image, right? So this here itself, by itself, will just render the original image. We can now add transformations on this image, which is to resize it. In this example, we're saying resize the image, which is sample.jpg, do a height of 200, a width of 300, and then also crop it using this crop mode. Again, if you have, in addition to the transformations, if you also want to add any custom classes, CSS classes onto the image tag, an alt tag, you can do that all through the SDK. So that was for image. This slide here shows you how to do the same for videos. So video tag, Cloudinary.video, you would pass in the public ID along with the transformations. And this would actually create a structure like this on the web page, right? It would have a video tag along with all the formats for different browsers. WebM in this case could be for Chrome-based browsers, MP4 for Safari, for example, and OGV for any other browser that supports it. And if a browser does not support any one of these formats, then it would get this message instead. So all of this here can be done by the SDK, and I'm going to now show you how this can be done in code. So here I have a simple page to kind of show you how this can all be put together. I am importing a Cloudinary core JavaScript, and I have some other helper libraries to kind of make things easy for us. So what I have is I have simple placeholders for images. I have image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, and video 1. And on the JavaScript section, what I've done is I've initialized my JavaScript to point to the demo sub account. So once you sign up with Cloudinary, or if you have Cloudinary account, every account has a cloud name. This is that cloud name here. And from here on, I'm just using the image tags that I talked about earlier. So I initialize Cloudinary, put that into a variable cl.d. From here on, I can generate my image tag. In this case, it generates an image tag with country for image country sunset.jpg. And I'm just putting that image onto this div that I had earlier. Same for the other one, image 2, I'm generating an image tag of lady.jpg. Again, I'm going to show how these look on a web page in just a second. In this case, for lady.jpg, I'm also adding an alt attribute, have a custom class, a CSS class here followed by a bunch of transformations to scale down my image, right? And not just scaling it down, I'm also adding some effects here, grayscale. Again, I'll show you what this looks like in just a second. Image 3, a similar concept. I just have different types of transformation to kind of show you the variations of this approach. Image 4, I have a set of different transformations as well. And lastly, I have a video example here to show you how video transformations could be done. I'm taking a video of a dog, set the height and width to 200 by 300, crop it. I'm adding the video controls on it as well. And then if the browser does not support the video, I have a custom message here that says the videos are not supported with this browser. So let's see how these actually look like here. This is the page that I have created. As you can see, I have image 1 here. I'm just going to, this was my first image, and let me show you what this looks like. So this is the very first image. If you remember, I just have Cloudinary country sunset without any transformations, and I'm rendering that as is. So as you can see here, this image got rendered as is. There is no transformation applied to it. Moving on to the next image here. This is the image of the lady here. In this case, I applied transformations of crop with a fill mode, change it to grayscale, set the width and height to 500 by 800. Again, let's quickly look at what that looks like here. I set the crop mode, set the effect to grayscale, and set the width and height to 500 by 800. Moving on, I have another example here of another image here, basketball in net. In this case, I'm using a transformation called gravity, again, setting width and height. Right, so just different variations based on any specific needs that you have. You can use all of that through the SDKs. And lastly, this is another interesting one. I have an image here where I'm instructing through transformations to maintain the aspect ratio at 1 using the crop mode. And I'm also putting this into what's called a round mode that Marissa showed earlier on. R max means show this into a circular mode, and that's what it does here. So just to kind of show you what that looks like in the code here, I have transformations specified here with the aspect ratio 1, width, specify the width, the crop and gravity settings, and at the same time set the radius to max. And lastly, for video, if you see here, these are my transformations. And looking at this video here, here. So this video, a poster image is automatically created with the dimensions that are specified. Along with that, it also generates 3 different URLs with different formats and uses the custom messaging if the browser does not support any of the formats. So again, this goes to show you how you can easily use the Cloudinary SDKs to generate a different image and video tags without having to create them manually and specify transformations as needed to automatically scale these images down and ultimately increase the performance on the website.